For over 5,000 years, wheels have driven our world. But today, Chinese scientists are making history with magnetic technology that will lift cars off the ground, allowing them to float over roads, achieving unmatched energy efficiency and speed without emissions. This project draws inspiration from magnetic levitation trains, which can reach speeds over 600 kilometers per hour. However, unlike magnetic railways, hovering cars will glide on a simple aluminum lane, easily integrating into existing traffic infrastructure. In 2022, prototypes weighing 2.8 tons reportedly reached speeds of 230 kilometers per hour. Levitation was achieved using a heavy magnetic system beneath the car body, increasing costs and making them impractical for regular roads. To solve this, scientists proposed embedding ring-shaped magnets into the car's wheels for levitation. How does this work? The secret lies in the physics. When the magnetic wheels rotate quickly, they create a repelling magnetic field in adjacent conductors, like the aluminum sheet, causing the car to levitate and accelerate. The transition from horses to vehicles was revolutionary. Now, the electric levitating car could be the next big leap in transportation. But there's more. California-based Alpha Aeronautics is opening the skies to cars. At first glance, it may look like a normal car, but beneath its carbon fiber mesh body lies unique flying technology. The vehicle features 4 electric motors on each wheel and 8 propellers, all controlled by independent software-driven electric propulsion systems. China's response to America's flying car initiative comes from XPeng's air mobility division with the X3. This car has a multi-rotor configuration with 4 axes and 8 propellers that retract when driving on the road like a normal vehicle. The X3 faces challenges, particularly its 2-ton weight, limiting it to 2 occupants and a short flying range. The goal is to achieve several hundred miles of range with high-energy density batteries. Battery technology advancements are key. CATL, the world's largest battery manufacturer, has developed a condensed battery with an energy density of 500 Wh/kg, nearly twice as light as current EV batteries, potentially extending the flying range significantly. Meanwhile, Tesla continues to innovate. The much-anticipated next-gen Roadster, delayed several times, promises breakthroughs. With the optional SpaceX package, the Roadster can hover up to 1 meter off the ground using cold air rocket thrusters. Combined with the powerful Plaid powertrain, this package allows the Roadster to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.1 seconds, adding a new dimension to sports driving excitement. These are just a few groundbreaking innovations in mobility that are becoming a reality. The future of transportation is thrilling, with magnetic levitation, flying cars, and next-gen sports cars on the horizon. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on these incredible advancements. Thanks for watching. Like and share if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to not miss the latest updates on revolutionary transportation technologies. See you soon on Tech Wheels.